Hi guys, welcome back to EIS Alaska. So as you can hear, we have the tsunami warning going off in the background.
Yeah, we just had a earthquake go off down toward the chain about, 15 minutes ago?
Yeah, Chignik.
Yep. What was it, 7.4?
Yeah, 7.4, about 75 miles south of Chignik and 8 miles deep. So the tsunami alarms just went off about 10 minutes ago, and yeah.
Yeah, so this time it's just a warning, and they predict if a wave comes, it'll be around midnight for Kodiak, so I guess we'll see what happens here. Kind of tempted to run our boat out to deeper water, but hopefully she's fine.
Just let her ride it out, I guess.
Yeah.
So, yeah, I guess we'll see what happens here in an hour or so and come back then.
Yeah. Boy, I really hope this thing doesn't show up. This is kind of the last thing anybody needs.
Exactly.
Yeah. And a terrible salmon season here, and fish prices are down, and not much work going on, and virus on top of everything else.
Yeah, just another thing in 2020.
Yeah.
So, yep.
All right, well, I guess we'll check back with you anyways, and fingers crossed.
Yep.
The first wave is expected to hit Sandpoint soon, and in the next few minutes, and we'll know more then what those waves might look like and the size of the wave that they are getting. It should, according to the Tsunami Center, timing to Unalaska is at 23:50, which is 11 p.m. 50 minutes, 11:50 p.m. Here in Kodiak, 12:05 p.m. That's the latest information that we have. So, please head for higher ground, stay calm. Once again, this is a tsunami warning, not a tsunami drill. This is a tsunami warning in effect for Kodiak, the Aleutians, basically
so
the
the
entire
epicenter was
coastal
about
area
300
from
miles
the Aleutians
from Kodiak then,
to Homer, Soldovia, Soldotna, including Kodiak Island Archipelago. Tsunami warning is in effect. The Volcano Observatory.
Up here at the high school, Kodiak High School.
Yeah, looks like the whole town's turned out for the festivities. Hopefully it's just a false warning again. Got her daughter and grandkids up here somewhere.
Yeah, I'm gonna text her and see where she's at.
Got them right there. So this was a subduction earthquake where the